Okay, last function here last problem here from our unit on functions is to graph these functions with the transformations. So we start with the mother function, the parent function, and then we shift or flip appropriately based on the equations. So we'll start with A. I'm going to do all of them in this video, hopefully. So what is the parent function? It's an absolute value of x graph. There is no flip with this because there's not a negative out front. It does not move side to side. It doesn't move left or right because there's no number in here on the x, and it goes up 4 units. So I will, in purple, sketch the absolute value. This is the parent function, the mother function, however you want to think about it. You can go all the way out if you want. I'll stop there. And then, we've got, says at least 3 points. Should be prepared for 4 sometimes though, but the 0, 0, the 1, 1, negative 1, 1, 2, 2 is there as well. You can have any 3 points based on these directions. And then what do? We go up 4 units. So everything there is going to go up 4 units. So I'll go up 1, 2, 3, 4, put a dot. And then I'm going to plot in all of the points that I have down there. And then I'm going to connect them, my arrows, and we're done. So let's go ahead on to part B. So this one, what's the base function? It's a root x function. Is it flipped? It's not flipped. It does not have a negative right there. Does it move left or right? Yes, it goes left by 6, and it goes up by 5. So when I come down here, I'm going to graph the parent function, the root x function. I got 0, 0, I got 1, 1, then there's a 4, 2 point. The next integer would be 3, 9. It's fine if you have just these 3, and that's all I'll ask you for on this type of graph. So it goes like that. That is this function right here. So I need to now do my shifts. So I got to go back 6. So let's count 6 on the x's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to here. And then I got to go up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I go to here. So from there, I need to just plot these same corresponding points. So this is the 0, 0 point. This is the 1, 1 point. And then the 4, 2 is over 4 up 2, which lands me right here. We go off like this. You could put a little bit more curve than I did there. But make sure you got those points highlighted, and you're good to go. All right, so last one. Parent function, mother function is an x squared, a parabola. It is flipped in this case. What makes it flip is this negative right here. There is no side-to-side movement, but it is moved down 3 units. So I will go ahead and graph the original parent function, the parabola, and we'll go like that. We've talked a lot in class about doing at least 4 points. So I'm going to show 5 here, although on these directions you would only need 3. So we got our 0, 0, 1, 1. We always have talked about this as the other 1, 1. This is a 2, 4, positive 2, 4. And this is a negative 2, up 4. So I flip it. That means it goes from opening up to opening down. And then I move everything. So, or I translate everything down by that. No, I didn't write this. We go down 3. So what's that give me? I'll do it in green again. I go down 1, 2, 3 to negative 3. And then instead of going over 1, up 1 for my 1, 1 points, I go over 1, down 1, and over 1, down 1. And then I'll show the 2, 4. I go over 2, down 4, over back 2, down 4. And then I sketched it in like this. So hopefully you feel good with these as well. And this is the last of the videos for this study guide. See ya. Thank you.